Henry. Good morning. Mark, hello Mark. Hello. Di kasi ako makapag-reply dito sa River kaya ano ang cute. Ay, dad. Pa 4 star mo ko. Huwag ka puro dada dyan. User, hello. I'm yours now. Hello. Ah! Tony, hello. Good morning. But, Tona, hello. Sisi. Hello, Michael Brown. Good morning. People naman. Hindi naman po. Michael Brown, where are you from? How are you? How are you today? Saan po yun? Sa Davao po. How are you, Micah? Sa ito ka evening here in the USA. But good morning. Oh, good afternoon to you and good morning for me. How are you? Are you done eating your dinner? You need to eat your dinner now. Yes, nice. Nice. Boston. Parang lumaan. Yung ano, Steven. Michael Brown. Did you eat your breakfast? Not yet. I need to reach 4 star to eat breakfast. Can you help me? Domino's, hello. What are you doing? Going washing, Sasha, Evie, washing clothes, my clothes.